The new chair enabler is based on Kinara's bed enabler, but rebuilt by Assistent Partner in Norway to be used with Linac-based form-fit chairs, such as those from Medema and Welcome. The kit consists of an enabler, power supply, a Linac receiver, and a Linac connection box. This is a plug-and-play solution that connects directly to the chair's control unit. The kit is mounted directly onto the chair and opens up a number of possibilities for controlling the chair externally. Everything from handheld transmitters, where you control all the function from various buttons, to using the scan function and the one button, such as a hand, foot, or head button. By downloading the control app from Kinara on your smartphone or tablet, you can control all the chair's function from there. In addition, smartphones and tablets can also be paired with a number of other control tools, such as joysticks and iOS voice control.
Tap footrest out.
The app can also be downloaded on other devices, such as a Tobii Pilot, where the chair can be controlled using eye control. An important additional function that the kit provides when it is connected to the chair is that you get the opportunity to save a fully personalized favorite position. This is done by using the macro function found in the control app.